Ballard products. We've added a couple new cleaning solutions to our already super popular Mower Magic degreaser, degrasser, which we've got in the 32 ounce and 1 gallon. Getting a ton of feedback. This thing absolutely, this product, guys, just takes any of that grease, grime, grass off your machine. Got the foaming trigger so that solvent stays on the machine, doesn't run off. It's gonna work way better than some of those other products you guys find at the big box stores. I guarantee it. Check out some of the reviews on our website as well, some of our Instagram and Facebook page. We've also added the Pro Wash, which is gonna remove grass, grime, dirt without stripping your lubricants. You're gonna wanna use this as well as the wash and wax with the polymer in it, and probably something like a foam cannon. You can use a wash bucket. You can also use it in kind of a hot seat or other different devices. On the side, it's got your measuring here so you know how much to add to each thing. So we've got 3 different products here. We've got the grass degreaser, degrasser, the wash and wax, and our Pro Wash. Check out all the details on the website. We've also got our Ballard foam cannon here coming soon, so you can mix in your concentrate and foam your machine, whether you're washing mowers, ATVs, UTVs, automobiles, snowmobiles, race cars, anything you've got. We've also got our electric powered Pro Scrubber, the telescoping arm. Just works really nice getting down in there and scrubbing on those machines. So check out all the cleaning supplies on the website, ballard-unique.com. Thanks, guys.